Are you bothered by the disorganization of your clothes, or maybe just don't have enough closet space? Then the Raybee rolling hanger clothes rack can bring you that organization that you crave. It's an adjustable and heavy-duty clothes rack with wheels on the bottom. When assembled, it can be between 51.2 and 75 inches wide and 65 to 70 inches tall. So those long dresses have plenty of room to hang without getting wrinkled. And if you need more width than this, no problem. You can extend these out to get extra width so you have more space to hang your clothes, belts, accessories, hats, and scarves. On the bottom, it has 4 high-quality omnidirectional metal wheels wheeled around your bedroom or living room or wherever you're needing to get ready. And this product is made from stainless steel, so it's very durable, sturdy, and can withstand up to 450 pounds. The Raybee Heavy Duty Clothes Rack.